What's happening, guys? Today's going to be my 2-minute car fix. This is the one I've got today. I saw this online, so this looks like quite a common picture to draw. It's just like a fun little car with little skinny dot wheels with a little person inside. So let's have a look and see if we can make this a lot better. So I'm just going to do some lines coming up here, and then copy this same shape that I've just done previously. So it comes down like that. Same with this bumper, but bring this across there, like so. And then we can add a back window, maybe some rear tail lights. Maybe this is for the number plate or license plate if you're from America. Then we can do some wheel arches, like that. Then do that windscreen. Do the side window. Let's draw these wheels in again. And maybe do a quick bumper just there. Then for the wheels, we do that across. Maybe let's do a center exhaust. So the same line going up there, like so. Then we'll just do an inside edge. Like that. Then we'll do some more details. So let's put a door in there. How about a side indicator? How about some of the light coming around? Maybe the bumper coming down here from the front. Let's do a little shadow on the back window. Maybe let's add a sunroof. Now I'm not going to do the person inside. I'm just going to leave that tinted in, like so. And then just smooth out some of these lines a bit more. Okay guys, this has been my 2-minute quick fix picture. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you later.